Want a fast and easy way to create cover letters that get you more work from Upwork? Then you're going to love the PouncerAI Chrome extension. Let me show you how it works. Just install the Chrome extension and log into your account. And when you apply to a job on Upwork, you will see a new Generate button in the cover letter area. Just click it. Once the PouncerAI screen appears, select a template and your profile from PouncerAI. Your templates are a combination of small AI prompts and canned text that can be customized right on the screen. Once done, click the Generate Proposal button, and PouncerAI sends the job information, your profile, and the AI prompts to ChatGPT. The result is a perfectly tailored cover letter that aligns your skills and experience with the client's job. When you are done, just click the Apply button and your cover letter is ready to go. But that's not all. Want suggestions on how to make your cover letter better? Just click the Analyze button that provides detailed recommendations on how to improve it. And there's more. You can create your own AI prompts right in the editor, or use our library of AI snippets as a starting point. You can even add a touch of flair to your proposals using our Upstyler toolbar, so you can include bold, italic, bullet points, and more as Unicode characters that will make your cover letter stand out. There is so much that you can do with PouncerAI. That's why we created an exclusive community just for you with helpful guides and tips to help you succeed on Upwork. PouncerAI makes it easy for you to create custom-tailored cover letters that get you more work from Upwork fast.